up guys, it's your girl Lady Delightful here. In today's video I'll be showing you how I hide my hair underneath my wigs by doing this easy simple cornrows or cornrows, anyhow you want to call it. Let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start off by sectioning my hair into 2 equal parts, okay, and using a hairband to hold one section whilst I work on the other section, okay. And just to say this, sectioning your hair is not an easy thing to do, okay. So use a mirror to guide you, or get someone to help you if you've got someone around. If not, just try and do it yourself, okay? But I think it comes with more practice anyway. I'm still getting there because my one is not perfect. I'm still getting there, all right? Use your shining gel or any gel of your choice to help you do this as well, okay? Okay guys, so you start off, okay, by sectioning the front of the hair, okay, all right. So section just a little bit and try, and then divide the hair into 3 equal parts if you can, okay. Just try as much as you can to make sure that they are equal to each other. So 3 of them. So, and you start off by using your index finger, okay, to loop the hair through, okay. I'm trying to explain it as much as I can, all right, but it's not an easy thing to explain. So it's more, I would say it's more visual. So I would say just keep watching what I'm doing, okay. But in this video, I'll try as much as I can to explain it. Hopefully by the end of this video, you'll be able to cornrow by yourself, okay. All right, so it's all about using the 3 main fingers, which is the thumb, the index finger, fingers, and obviously your middle finger as well, okay. All right, so you part your line or you section the hair, all right. The shining gel really helped me, trust me guys, it really did. So in this, obviously here I've sectioned, I've done my 3 equal parts. So I'm just looping it through. So it's just the, you know, the index finger, you loop it through, and as you're looping, you're picking hair as well as you're going. So it's like you walking basically, like your fingers are basically walking. So as it's going, then you just, you know, pick the hairs there. This is hard to explain, honestly, this is really hard. But I learned through watching, honestly guys. I'm going to be very honest with you guys. And obviously more practice, okay? Practice. I can't even stress on that enough. Just keep practicing, you know, all right? Okay. And when it comes to obviously doing the ends, they are quite easy. Okay. All right, so okay, so this one, all right, so you section, as I said, you section a little bit of the hair, all right, at the beginning. So try and make it as equal as you can. All right, as equal as you can. So section it into 3 main parts, okay. Just watch what I'm doing, okay. Then with your index finger, all right, so loop it through. So put it at the back of the middle hair. Am I making sense? Yeah. So index finger, the back of the middle hair, then grab the hair on the right. Is it right? Yeah, right or left. Yeah, so just keep grabbing the hair. That's it. So as you grab the hair, that's it. Then you keep moving your fingers at the same time. So as I said, I'm still struggling to explain. But yeah, so please watch. Just watch. So what I would really suggest you do, you know, obviously get your hair ready as the way I've done it, section it, and just keep watching this video and keep practicing, okay? Okay, so you section a small part right at the beginning of your head, just a small part of your hair. Okay, divide it into 3 equal parts. Okay, all right. Okay, then start with your index finger. All right, so you loop and you grab the hair on your right. Loop and you grab the hair on the other side as well. Loop and grab. So loop and grab. So as you are going down, and keep moving your fingers at the same time, okay? So as you're going down, you keep picking the hairs, okay? So loop, grab, okay? So loop and you pick and you grab. So loop, pick, grab, and keep going. So loop, grab, loop, grab, okay? Try and obviously get, whether you're using a gel or whatever cream that you're using, just make sure that your hand is quite moisturized, and it helps. When you get to the back, it can be very tiring. As I keep saying, you feel the pains and the aches in your hand, but don't worry about it, you're nearly done. So just keep braiding till you get right till the end, okay? All right, okay, and this is the last hair that we'll be doing. Okay, yay, we are done. Okay, good. Same thing, obviously. I think this one I did it quite quick, but once you master everything, you don't even have to section that 3 hairs at the beginning. You just find a way to grab any hair and just start braiding. Okay. So I hope this method actually helped you guys. I really hope. Let me know at the comment box any questions that you might have. Let me know, okay? And I'll sure will do answer them, okay? But yeah, well done. So if you've been able to do it right till this end, then well done. So you use your Do Grow stimulating oil to stimulate your scalp to promote hair growth. All right, next thing to do is quite optional, as I always say, all right? To obviously try and obviously bring out the baby hairs, okay? So just use any gel of your choice or any edge control. I use my She Is Bomb edge control to obviously bring out the jelly babies, I call them, all right? Okay? All right, very optional, guys. You don't have to do it if you don't want to do it, okay? All right, just to add a little bit of va-va-voom. Then you go ahead and scarf it, okay? Scarf it, scarf it, scarf it. Yes, that's my girl, Fun Babe. Who's that girl? La 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 la. Okay, guys, thank you so much for sticking with me right till the end. We are done. We are done, okay? All right, okay, so that's it. That's your hair roll. Well done. We've done it. Okay, guys, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, okay? And turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be the first to know, okay? See you in the next video. Take care. God bless. Mwah.